Another quick way to recover your unsaved document is this button. When you work with your document and uh, you open a document and but it was closed without saving, okay, suddenly or unexpectedly. So this button uncovers that. Okay, for example, you can see I have two unsaved documents where they were closed unexpectedly and without my permission they closed really. So I can recover that anytime. So you can see and you can pick up them and then you can hit open. Then you'll have the documents in your Word. So that's the work of recover unsaved document that you can use out of it. We have also like account feedback and option menu in here. We will talk about them in the future, not for now. So see you, especially we'll talk about the options because options is very super important part of Microsoft Word. That it helps you to manage everything perfectly in Microsoft Word document. So this is a new journey of page. It's where it's all the page of Microsoft Word exists, all the options and all of the tools. This is I'm gonna go through it and you can see what they are. Okay, so at this bar we can see our title bar in here that you can see, and in here we have quick access toolbar. In the title bar we have quick access toolbar. Quick access toolbar is an option where you can access everything quickly without any searching and looking. So that's the part. And we have also this, so it says title word, so it shows your title and then it shows your program name. And then we have again the caption buttons or control buttons that you can control your applications. And then we have our menu in here in Microsoft Word. Our menu that they do really the most things, but the whole of that thing is called ribbon. Okay, the whole this thing is called ribbon. Okay, it is called ribbon. So in the ribbon we have menu. We have menu really to work with them. These are the menu. And then in the menu, we have groups of tools. So this is group number 1, and it says clipboard. And other group is font, okay? And other group is paragraph. Each menu, and the good thing is each menu has their own group and their own tools there. You can see that right now. There you go. So it shows that. And after the menu and after the tools we have, so these are little tools we have in the group. We have our page in here, our paper that you can see right over here. And then we can see our status bar that you can see right now. It shows the page, number of the page, and then number of words, and then English, and then language, and then I can manage the view, and then I can manage the zoom, how I can zoom the documents. In the home, we have something about how to open documents. In the home, we have 3 in here, 3 manual. Number 1 is recent. It shows your recent document that you opened recently. For example, I opened one document recently. It says title, so it shows me a title document. And then it has folder. So there you go. It says Word, so it shows Word folder. So it shows me really the thing I wanted. Okay, so in that way, it shows to your PC as well. So down in here we have this PC. This PC shows all the document, all the somehow folders that are in your document. In this part, in this document, it shows all that document for you. Okay, so it can be a lot of good, better way to open the documents that you want. For example, you have document in Do It, so you can open it. Okay, for now I don't have it. So browse is another way to open documents. For example, you can go browse and you can say open, and then you can say, then you can pick up your document and hit open, and then it'll open for you. So that's about the open that you can have it in Microsoft Word.